Yes, Sandhya, let's start with self-introduction.
Yeah, good evening. Good evening, Ashok. This is Sandhya. I'm a computer science graduate. I'm having an experience of around 4 years as a Dynamics technical consultant uh, at mm, uh, TCS. And I'm having an experience of 4 years. During this time, I have done a couple of CRM projects where I'm having a good experience in customizing and configuring the functionalities in the CRM, and I do have a good knowledge uh, on the out of the box functionalities as well. um, my roles and responsibilities are, I do have a sync up call with my team lead. We discuss about the requirement and take up the task, and by the end of the day we just update him about the completion of the task. And I was involved in data exports, imports, and I'm familiar with form creation, entity creation, form design, creation of views, charts, and dashboards. I've implemented requirements using workflows, plugins, JavaScripts. Mm, Additionally, I'm familiar with Power Automate flows as well. I do have a basic knowledge on Power Portals, PCF controls, and uh, Canvas apps as well. Yeah, that's all about myself.
So, how many form types are there in the CRM?
Uh, like form types, main form, quick create form, uh, and uh,
Hmm.
yeah,
Main
i'm
form, quick create form.
uh, I'm just not able to recollect.
Yeah, fine. Do you
Yeah,
have experience with the business rules?
yeah, yes,
Hmm.
yeah.
So, what is the purpose of business rule?
Basically business rules, we can implement task without code. uh, Business rules, we can use business rule to set the visibility of the field and set default value to the field, and set the field as a business required and show error message. And we can lock and unlock the fields based on the conditions. And uh, yeah, that's all I remember.
So, have you implemented business rules in your project?
Yeah, I have implemented.
Can you just give me the one of the scenario for which you have implemented?
Yeah, so I do have an entity called hospital staff, in which uh, so I do have a field called leaves. No, uh, like staff status. Like status will be left or left the hospital, or is still like in the hospital. So if it is left, I should hide some field. I guess I'm not remembering this scenario. I'm sorry.
Fine. So, you make sure you take some
Yeah,
scenarios. Okay.
yeah.
And so, what is the scope of the business rule?
Yes, we do have three levels of scope. One is entity level for all forms and specific form. For the specific form, the business rule will run only on the specific form, particular form, whichever we have selected. And for all forms, it runs on the all forms of the entity. And for the entity level, it runs for the all the forms across the CRM. Basically runs for the servers on the server side and
Mm.
client side as well. Yeah,
Okay. So, like, can we execute business rules in the quick create form?
yeah, you can execute business rule in the quick create form.
So what is the scope we need to add?
Uh, we can add entity level.
Entity level.
Yeah.
So is there any other option other than entity level?
Yeah, all forms also work, but for some uh, there is some restriction limitations.
Hmm. What are they?
Uh, like it will not work for the like error messages, showing up error messages. It will not work if it is set as all forms. And yeah, if the field is not available on the quick create form, and the field we are using it in for business rule, it will not work on the quick create form if the field is not available there.
Hmm.
Yeah.
So do you have experience with the JavaScript?
Yes.
Can you just give me the steps? How do we implement JavaScript?
Yeah. uh, JavaScript, we can write a code in Notepad, uh, and we do save the file at .js file, uh, and we do update this file in the
Hmm.
web resources, uh, and then on the form, on the required form, uh, on the form properties, like the form properties,
Hmm.
uh, we do add this whatever we have added the file from web resources into the library.
Hmm.
Yeah. And then events we have to add it. It is on change or on load, form load. We have to pass the function name and save and publish the form and validate from UI.
So what are all events are there in the JavaScript?
Yeah, on change, and on load and on save.
Hmm. So have you implemented JavaScript in your project?
Yeah, sure.
Can you just give me the scenario for which you have implemented?
Yeah, like for showing and hiding of the sections and tabs.
Hmm.
Yeah.
The scenario, what is the scenario?
I do have entity called hospital staff. So if the staff type is doctor, I need to show the list of appointments of the doctor section. If the staff type is other than doctor, I have to hide the section. So this one we have implemented using JavaScript.
Okay.
Yeah.
So how can we debug JavaScript?
Yeah. In the call developer tool, uh, uh, just open the file, and we can set up breakpoints, and we can trigger the we can just validate the uh, what we call, we can set the breakpoint, and we have to just go through the steps.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
how
Or
do
else we
we,
can just put a debugger keyword in the,
yeah, correct.
yeah.
Like
Mm.
uh so when you compare business rule JavaScript with the business rule, so
Mhm.
what is the disadvantage with the JavaScript?
Disadvantage with the JavaScript.
Yes.
So it only works for the client side. Business rule works for the server side also as well.
Okay, fine.
Yeah.
So do you have experience with plugins?
Yes.
So how much do you rate yourself out of 10?
Yeah, 7 I can rate.
How many plugins you have implemented in your career so far?
Yeah, more than 10 plugins.
Can you just give me the one of the complex plugin scenario?
Yeah. So one of the requirement from my project was, uh, there is an entity called doctor appointments entity, and hospital staff entity. So for in hospital staff entity, I do have a field called maximum number of appointments per day. So whenever a doctor appointment is created, uh, so what we call the appointment creation should not like exceed more than three appointments should not be created. For example, maximum per day for particular doctor is three. So here, not more than three appointments should be created in doctor appointment entity.
Hmm.
So for this requirement, this was the complex, and here, here I got to retrieve the doctor info as well as conditions for appointment status should be confirmed, and uh, like I have to retrieve date and time as well of the doctor appointment entities. Date and time I have to retrieve. So everything was well and good. But while validating code, what I noticed was uh, uh, when I am creating an appointment for the date, but in the backend it is getting stored one day less. It was getting stored one day less. So I have it was some tricky, and I have done some research, and I have uh, uh, implemented uh, I what I need to do was I need to just do time conversion from UTC to IST format. So basically, plugin in the backend it stores the date and time in UTC format. So
Hmm.
that time conversion was little bit critical. That was some little complex for me. So
Hmm.
anyhow, I managed it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So can you just explain about the pipeline stages?
Yeah, there are three types of pipeline stages. There's a pre-validation, pre-operation, and post-operation. A pre-validation is the plugin will execute before data is committed to the database, before doing some validation checks. Uh, and rollback is not possible in pre-validation. And for pre-operation, the plugin will execute uh, before data is committed to the database, and rollback is possible here. And for post operation, plugin will execute after the data is committed to the database. Rollback is also possible here.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what is the importance of the images in the plugin?
Yeah, we do have pre-image and post images. So pre-images is used to capture the previous values of the fields. It is when we have a requirement to compare previous values with the current values, we do use pre-images. And post image is mostly we use post images for update scenarios.
Okay.
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
So let's say I have a requirement. The requirement
Okay.
is I
Okay.
do have the email field in contact entity.
Okay.
So in email, I want to allow only specific domain like gmail.com.
Yeah. Yeah.
So this is my requirement. How can
Okay.
you implement?
Yeah, I can do it using JavaScript and plugins as well.
So which one do you prefer?
Um, JavaScript, I guess.
JavaScript, what is the event do you add?
Uh, JavaScript form on no on load is not, I will not work. So on save,
Unsave. And what is the syntax to use?
like you want me save syntax.
Yeah, which syntax to use? Let's say we have to, if user
Mm,
entered invalid email, we need to stop the save operation, right? So how can we
yeah,
stop
yeah.
the save operation?
Form context dot data dot entity dot save, I guess.
Sorry, we want
Form.
to stop the save operation, not the save.
Okay. Uh, I just don't remember the syntax.
Mm, yeah, and what is the, let's say I want to set one of the field as read only by using JavaScript. Can you just let me know the syntax?
Uh, yeah, read only.
Yeah, I want to
It is
set.
yeah, form context dot uh mm, yeah. I'm sorry, I have to go through the syntaxes. It is dot set mandatory true something. I'm not sure.
Okay.
I'll look into it.
Yeah, fine.
Mm.
So the validation, like email validation
Mm.
you mentioned, right?
Yeah, yeah.
And what if you go with the plugin? What is the
Mm.
event do you add?
Pre-validation.
Pre-validation, like message, which message do you add? What are all messages are there in the, like what are all events are there in plugin?
Yeah, events
In plugin, what
like
type of?
same as JavaScript on save we can do.
In plugin
Yeah,
events.
uh,
Save event we don't have, right? In
save event.
plugin.
Okay, on change we have events.
Triggering points, how can,
Triggering points. Create update. You're asking.
yeah, what are all
Yeah,
triggering points are there?
yeah. Create update. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
that's it.
Only two, is it?
Yeah.
Is there any additional events?
No, I guess no. I
Uh,
have done this too only.
let's
Yeah.
say I have a requirement. I want to execute my plugin only update a particular field. How can we
Okay.
configure?
Uh, we can just uh, set the event to update and uh, like we need to provide the filtering attributes on which field we want
Hmm.
the triggering field. We need to specify the schema name of the triggering field in the filtering
Okay.
attributes. Yeah.
Okay, fine. So I have a requirement. So the
Okay.
requirement is I do have account entity, contact entity.
Okay.
Account is the parent, contact is the child. So
Okay.
whenever I updating, let's say on contact
Mm.
entity, I have the
Okay.
like lookup of the account entity.
Yeah.
So let's say I'm updating the an
Account.
account entity. I'm
Mm.
updating some information.
Okay.
Account organization ID I'm updating,
Okay.
or else organization email ID I'm updating. As soon as I update, I
Mm.
want to update all associated contacts as well because I have the similar field in the contact as well.
Yeah.
With the same value, I want to update. So how can
Okay.
we do?
Yeah. We can go with the JavaScript as well as plugin and also with Power Automate flows.
So if you go with the plugin, what is the event do you use?
Uh, Event post operation.
And will you go with the synchronous or asynchronous?
Um, I synchronous. Synchronous.
Synchronous plugin to implement, is it?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Let's see. And the event, what is the triggering point do you add?
For this,
Yeah,
uh, update.
update of which field?
Uh, Email ID.
Okay, fine.
Mm.
So I'm updating the email. Then we
Okay.
are updating all the
Child
contacts,
records.
right?
Yeah.
Child records, right? You're
Mm.
going to use the synchronous plugin.
Yeah.
Yeah. So inside synchronous plugin, you will update the all the contacts. So
Yeah.
what happened on account entity? I don't have
Mm.
any validation for the
Okay.
email. I can give any kind of email. Like I
Okay.
can give gmail.com or outlook.com,
Okay.
any kind of domain. But
Okay.
on the contact entity, I have another plugin
Okay.
which is having validation, like it will accept only the Gmail.
Okay. Okay.
So in account entity, let's say I
Yeah.
updated the email as outlook.com.
Outlook.
Then
Uh,
inside your plugin, you are
mm,
updating the contacts, right?
yeah.
All contacts, right?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
it will update same as the account. So it will update with the outlook.com. So here we
Yeah.
have the two plugins. So what will happen? Will my
Uh,
changes it account entity, whatever I'm updating, like outlook.com, will it process?
Prevent, I guess. Uh, I guess.
You understand the
Yeah.
question,
Yeah.
right?
I understood. I understood, Ashok.
So what will
Yeah.
happen in this case?
Uh,
So
might
you,
be it will not allow.
so you practically validate after
Yeah.
the
Sure.
session.
Sure. Sure. This is something new for me. This
Okay.
scenario. Yeah.
Yeah. Uh,
Okay.
the another thing is, so on account entity, I have the two plugins.
Okay.
One is synchronous, other one is asynchronous.
Okay.
So which one will execute first?
Synchronous plugins.
If both are in synchronous, which one will execute first? I have plugin A, plugin B. If
Okay.
both are on the synchronous, so which one will execute first?
Uh, Based on the execution order, I guess.
Okay. So
Mm.
plugin A, plugin B, right? So
Okay.
plugin A is the asynchronous plugin. Plugin B is the synchronous plugin.
Okay.
And the execution order plugin A, I have given it as a 1.
Okay.
And the execution order plugin B, I have
Two.
given it as a 2. So which
Okay.
one will execute first?
Mm. Asynchronous will process. It will run in the background. Uh, Even it executes first, it will. Uh, we cannot see the immediate effect, I guess.
That's fine, but which one will
Uh,
execute in this scenario? Plugin A or plugin B?
I'm not sure. I have to check with this also. I'm going to try this.
Yeah, this one also you
Yeah.
validate.
Yeah. Yes,
So
sure.
how can we avoid the infinite loops in the plugin?
Yeah, by using the concept, we can just write a line of code if depth context is greater than one, then return
What is the maximum depth we will get in the
eight,
plugin?
8, I guess.
Okay. And
Yeah.
what are all interface classes do we use in plugin?
Um, Interface, I plugin interface.
ePlugin interface, what it will contains?
Uh, it, um, I've just gone through some time back, but I'm not able to recollect.
Okay, fine.
Yeah.
Mm, so how many
Yeah.
types
Sure.
of solutions are there in the CRM?
Yeah, there are two types of solutions. It's managed and unmanaged solution.
So which one do you use for the deployments?
Managed solutions.
What is the difference between both?
Yeah, managed solutions cannot be like exported, uh, and once the unmanaged solution, we delete the components in the solution. uh, mm, uh, it will be deleted from the whole CRM system. And if we delete the components in the unmanaged solution, it will still exist in the CRM system. And
Hmm.
yeah, and for deployments we do use managed. uh,
So
yeah.
while you are working with the deployments,
Okay.
do you face any issue? Did
uh,
you get any error while you are deployments?
uh, I don't know how to handle this question.
Mm, fine. Okay.
Okay.
So do you have
Yeah.
experience with Power Apps?
Yeah, I do have implemented Power Automate flows.
So when you compare Power Automate flows with the workflows, so what
Okay.
is the disadvantage we have with the Power Automate flows?
Yeah, Power Automate flows runs only in asynchronous modes, and these workflows run asynchronous and asynchronously. Yeah.
How can we handle the exceptions in the Power Automate flow?
Yeah, by using scope concept, we
Mm-hmm.
do handle. Yeah. In the settings, we have to set the configure run after as is failed, so that it will execute if the above block is failed. It will get into catch.
Okay.
Yeah.
So can you just explain about the security model in the CRM?
Yeah, security model. Uh, it is it combines basically privileges and what we call uh, not remembering access levels and privileges. So we do have security. We do have role-based security for and hierarchy level security, field level security, and form-based security.
Okay.
Yeah. So you want me to explain?
Yeah, each one of them. Yeah.
Yeah. Role-based security. Um, uh, Using this role-based security, we can provide users a correct role, security role, and form-based security is like we can provide this form security to the users uh, uh, to only the required forms. Yeah, and field level security, uh, it is used to uh, what we call whatever we are having like high impact business field values, we want to hide it from the like unauthorized users. We do use field security profiles.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. and
So let's say I
yeah.
have a requirement here.
Okay.
I did enable the field level security for one of the field.
Okay.
So like let's say I logged in as a salesperson. I
Okay.
don't have read access for that
Okay.
particular field.
Okay.
And so I should not able to read, right?
Yeah.
Uh, an account entity, while I'm
Mm.
updating some field, an account
Mm.
entity, I
Mm.
have a field called
Mm.
account security code, and this field is accessible only for the manager. I use
Okay.
the field level security.
Yeah.
So I logged in as a salesperson,
Mm.
and I'm updating some other fields, not account security. So I'm triggering one plugin. Inside that
uh,
plugin, I'm
uh,
trying to read account security code using the code.
okay.
So will it possible? Will I get data?
No.
What I will get?
Like insufficient privileges, permissions, you will get error, I guess.
So did you understand the question?
Yes, Ashok.
Yeah.
You're
So you
trying to
validate.
get the secured field. You're calling the secured field in this plugin.
Yeah.
You're trying to retrieve the data.
Yes. Yes. So you
Yeah.
validate this one as well after the session, and you see
Okay.
how it
Okay.
is working.
Okay. Please send me this recorded sessions video.
Yeah. Sure. Sure.
Yeah.
And yeah.
Yeah.
So do you have experience with Canvas apps?
No, Power Portals and Canvas apps is pending from my side.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
And what is the importance of calculated fields?
Yeah. Calculated fields. we can use calculated fields to implement like simple logical functions, like we can pull the data from uh, like other entities,
Mm-hmm.
and we do use we can just um, we have some expressions like uh, add in days, add in weeks,
What
add in
uh, what are the
yeah.
limitations actually in calculated field?
So these calculated fields will not work for these workflows and plugins.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Can I read calculated fields in the plugin
uh, no, I guess it will not work for workflow and plugin.
for reading as well, is it?
Yeah,
Okay. Can I trigger any plugin on update of calculated field?
might be no.
And what is the purpose of roller field?
Roll up fill, it is used for calculating aggregate functions.
Hmm.
Yeah,
And
and it will take time to, it will run in the background. It will take time to reflect to the user.
what is calculation frequency?
Calculation frequency. No, I'm not sure about this. I don't know.
Fine. Uh,
Yeah.
so in the JavaScript, let's say I wanted to get the current logged in user security roles by using
Okay.
JavaScript.
Okay.
So what is the syntax we have to use?
Yeah. It is XRM dot utility dot get global context
Mm.
dot user settings dot roles.
And okay, do you have experience with ribbon workbench?
Yes, I do have.
What is the difference between display rules and enable rules?
Yeah, display rules. It works on the like server side, I
Mm.
guess. And enable rules, it works on the client side. Uh, Display rules we use if you want to show the button based on some conditions, like if a user is having some security role, uh, if the user is having manager role, we want to show the button, and other than this role you have to hide the button. So we can use for these scenarios you can use display rules.
Mm.
Yeah, and for enable rules, it is like uh, enable rules is it the button will be clickable or grayed out. It also works based on conditions.
Okay, so what
Yeah.
are all like options are there in the display rules?
Display rules, you're having value rule,
Mm.
custom rule, entity privilege rule,
Mm.
and one more it is there.
Let's say,
Yeah.
yeah, I have a requirement.
Okay.
The requirement is I added a custom button on the account form
Hmm.
and I want to show the button only if the status is approved. There is
Okay.
option set field.
Okay.
Option set
Okay.
field approved,
Mm.
then only I want to show the button.
Okay.
So which rule do you use? Do you use enable rule or display rule?
Enable rule.
Enable rule.
Yeah.
So which in enable rule, what action you do you use?
Uh, like action is like you're asking value rule and this custom rule. I will use
No, in
custom.
an enable rule, you use custom rule, is it?
Yeah, custom rule.
So can't we do with the display rule, like with value rule, option set value rule?
Option. Uh,
Yeah, you,
we can do, I guess.
yeah. So how
Yeah.
can we pass the form context in
Uh,
the from the ribbon button click?
yeah. By CRM parameter,
Hmm.
we can pass a form context, and there we can select primary control as a parameter.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, fine. Fine, Anusha.
Yeah.
So what you do, you just some
Okay.
scenario-based questions.
Yeah.
You have to explore actually.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
you
That
try.
one I did not do. I did not practice at all.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So you try to practice
Yeah.
these
Yeah.
scenario-based questions. Otherwise,
So,
it's a good.
so
You
yeah.
need to improve your most fine
Okay.
70%.
Okay.
You need to improve
Okay.
additionally few more things like scenario-based questions.
Scenario based, I'm going to, yeah, improve.
Yeah.
Yeah, sure.